This week I am going to be talking about a product that is very modern, sleek, and something that I personally think a lot of people can benefit from. If you want to check out what I'm going to be reviewing today and unboxing, stick around for today's episode. Everybody, welcome. My name is Enya, and as always, I am back with another episode of Beyond the Bud, where I go beyond the bud every Tuesday. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Elon Starter Kit. The Elon device is an innovative low-temp device that helps deliver all of the benefits of CBD without the negative toxins from burning it. Elon selects premium strains of CBD-Rich hemp flower and then blends them with scientifically validated terpenes to deliver optimal wellness. It's an all-in-one starter kit. It's going to include the Elon device, charger, 1 pack of 20 Uplift stem pods, and 1 20-pack of the Relax stem pods. Whole starter kit itself is going to cost $95. When you first take a look at this, it's definitely pretty small, which you guys know I'm all about the small vapes that fit in your hand. Because nobody wants something super clunky and bulky that they're just carrying around with them. They make 2 different colors. They have the silver and then they have like a black. Really pretty. Both of them are very sleek and modern looking. As you can see, the pod is entered in here. After 3 minutes and 30 seconds, the pod is done and you throw it away. It turns off itself. When you enter the pod, it actually clicks 5 times, and then once it's a solid green color, you know the device is heated up and ready to go. Very user-friendly. You don't have to push any type of button. All you have to do is make sure you put the pod in the right way and far enough so that the device can read that there is a pod in there and heat it up. You'll also notice on the back of the device there's this like little hole. Now this hole is going to be specifically to stop your session. The whole session is 3 minutes and 30 seconds long. After that, the pod is done, you throw it away. But you just want to pause your session, and that is something that you are able to do. You want to pause it for a second, just blow onto the back, and then when you want to go back and enjoy the rest of your pod, just blow back into the back of the device. If you are going to pause it, I would just suggest to do it for a couple of seconds and then return back to your session. Each of the pack of stems comes with 20 of them in there, and you can actually buy a pack of the stems separately. They're $15 or $15.99. I would say the pros of this Elon device is that it's very user-friendly. I mean, I could pretty much give this to anybody and they should have no issues using this. Like that they are full spectrum pods. If you guys aren't familiar with full spectrum, broad spectrum, or CBD isolate, I'll link a video describing what those are and the breakdown. Full spectrum promotes the entourage effect, meaning you are getting all of the cannabinoids found in cannabis, including a little bit of THC. But because it's under the legal limit, which is 0.3% THC, this is legal to be sold and can be shipped in most places. Another pro would be that this is very bioavailable. Because it's being vaped at a very low temperature and not combusted, you're keeping a lot of the cannabinoids and properties that would get burned off essentially from something that is way higher heat. It's actually being able to take in this medicine and process it better and faster. Another great thing is that this is pretty sustainable. The device is rechargeable and the pods are really small and they are biodegradable. So you can feel good when you're using this and not feel like you're wasting a ton of plastic. As you can see, the packaging is in a cardboard box as well as the little stem pods, which actually I love that because It doesn't always have to be super fancy packaging. Less is sometimes more, especially when it comes to our planet and sustainability. Because it is flour, it's not oil, so you know that there's no vitamin E or any unnecessary additives. It is basically just flour and terpenes. This is something that we always have to talk about, is the cons. It is pretty pricey. It's $95 for the starter kit. The thing that would be a negative or a con would be that if you aren't careful, you can break these pods off and it would be quite difficult to get it out. You can take this completely off, so like it would maybe help if you did get it jammed in there. When you're taking out the pods, maybe just take this whole thing out, twist and lift, because it can kind of get stuck in there, and you don't want that. You definitely don't want it to break off in there. Other than that though, I think this is a really awesome device, and I wouldn't really say that I have many cons for it. I definitely think this is something that would be great for people that are starting off to cannabis. Maybe you're looking into smoking, but maybe you don't want to go that route first. This is a great alternative because you're not combusting, so you're getting actually more of the medical and beneficial properties because it is at such a low temperature. Overall, I think this is a really great product. Kind of crazy that cannabis has come this far. Oh, this is already something that's like kind of mind-blowing to me because it's so advanced. I mean, it's pretty futuristic if you ask me. You know, the get down. Subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, turn on the notifications if you don't want to miss any of my videos. You know, every Tuesday I post a new video. Until next time guys, thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your week, and I'll see you guys on the next one.